Hey everybody, this is Andrea Carver, your 31 director, and I am excited to share with you today the Take the Day Diaper Bag by Baby by 31, okay? So here it is right here in skinny stripe. Look how cute this is. It also comes in girly prints too, so don't worry. But what I love about this bag is all the organizational features that it has. So the first one is you have these long straps right here, so you can put this on your shoulder very, very comfortably. I like the way that that feels. Then on the sides, you have these elastic, which I just actually took this out of the bag, so that's why it still has these on here. But you have these little elastic pockets on both sides, so whether you are, same thing on this side, whether you're putting in sippy cups or bottles, you can cinch this up so it doesn't fall out with if you're, in the car or, your kids are carrying the bag around. That's what's great about that. Then you have a zipper pocket right here on the front that goes all the way down. And then back here you have a magnetic button closure right here with a huge pocket right there. Then what's great about this also is the inside. You have two separate compartments in here. So on this side, if you guys can see, there's two elastic pockets right there. And then we have our signature thermal pouch right here on the inside. So all of our Baby by 31, or most all of them, have the thermal pouch, which is great to keep snacks cold, or maybe warm things warm, or definitely cold things cold. I had somebody at one of my parties mention to keep wipes, your packs of wipes. You can keep those in our thermal pouches. Oh, my little light's falling off. You can keep your wipes in our thermal pouches if you keep your bags in the car. That way they don't get dried out. Thought that was a great idea. Okay, and then on the other side, you have elastic pockets. And then you have just a regular zipper pocket right here. So there are so many functions, and I love these elastic pockets right here. They are great to hold diapers on one side and then wipes on the other. And then in these elastic pockets, you can keep maybe their toys, different things in there organized. So I love being organized, especially being a mom on the go. We have to carry so many things with us. So it is great to be organized and be able to carry all of our things that we need. So anyways, this is the Take the Day Diaper Bag by Baby by 31.